Hey guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to create a new macros on VIVO V29 Lite. So let's go into Google Play Store, tap on the search bar, and now search up Automate. Now install the app. Now we can open the app. Tap on the plus in the bottom right corner to create a new macro. Tap on the plus again to add blocks, and I'm just going to create a very simple macro just to show y'all how this app works. So let's go here. Now let me add the timer. I'm just going to create a macro that when you plug in your battery, a timer starts, and at the end we need to add flow stop. So when you plug in your battery, don't destroy the battery, don't drain it, I'm just going to have a timer, let's say, I don't know, like half an hour, to make sure that you don't overcharge it. You can also change the name of this macro, so let's call it macro, doesn't really matter. Now let's go back and tap on start, tap on grant to grant, automate, allow, go back, grant, okay, pause, disable this, go back and grant, allow. Now let's start it, and now if I would just plug in my cable, let's see what happens. And what? The timer has been added? Yeah, for 10 minutes. If you would like to change it, let me pause it. You can go back, tap on this pencil icon, and on this little thingy right there. Now tap on this block, and here you can change the duration. Let me add 45 minutes. Tap on OK, and label plug out. Right. Now tap on save. Let's go back, and now let's try this again. So let me start. Now let me plug in my charger, and as you can see, 45 minutes. You can see the label because no, here is our label, because there are two, they're running two at the same time, so that's why I probably couldn't see the label. But that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.